Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member. Mr. Speaker said, any international rugby match that is hosted in Fiji is co-hosted by the Fiji Rugby Union and the World Rugby. Mr. Speaker said there is a specific World Rugby hosting requirement that needs to be complied with, which includes field, accommodation, transportation and player welfare requirements. But prior to such matches, Mr. Speaker said, all rugby representatives are here usually in the country to work with the Fiji Rugby Union officials to ensure the compliance. Mr. Speaker said, for the current international matches, the Fiji Rugby Union has confirmed that there are 3 World Rugby representatives who are working with the Fiji Rugby Union staff in hosting of these international matches, and that all rugby hosting requirements are met. Mr. Speaker said, this is the process followed in all the past international matches held in Fiji, and because of the full compliance of all the requirements, World Rugby continues to partner Fiji Rugby Union to host international matches here in Fiji. Thank you.